this at-home Celtic Cuties class, part of the early childhood curriculum at the Center for Irish Music in St. Paul, Minnesota. My name's Alisa, and I'm really glad you're here today. Okay, let's get our bodies ready to sing. I think we'll get ourselves a little warmed up. So maybe you could reach up really high, just like that, and then reach down really low. And reach way up high, and reach way down low. Maybe you can do a little bit of twist, like this. And this is a little tricky for grown-ups or for kids, but grown-ups really like how it feels. You roll your shoulders maybe like this. Yeah. And what about shaking out your hands? Shaking out your arms. Nice. Good job. Okay, I think we're ready to get started. Here we say, reach for the ceiling, touch the floor. Reach up again, let's do some more. Reach for the ceiling, touch the floor. Reach up again, let's do some more. Reach for the ceiling, touch the floor. Reach up again, let's do some more. Touch your head, then your knees. Up to your shoulders like this, you see. Touch your head, then your knees. Up to your shoulders like this, you see. Reach for the ceiling, touch the floor. Reach up again, let's do some more. Reach for the ceiling, touch the floor. Reach up again, let's do some more. Touch your head, then your knees. Up to your shoulders like this, you see. Touch your head, then your knees. Up to your shoulders like this, you see. Reach for the ceiling, touch the floor. Reach up again, let's do some more. Reach for the ceiling, touch the floor. Reach up again, there isn't any more. Nicely done. Now let's see if we can get our voices warmed up a little bit. See if you can do what I do, okay? Listen closely. Whoop. Your turn. Whoop. 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 Nice. Okay, I think our bodies are ready and our voices are ready. Let's do a little bit of singing. We're going to do our hello song, and you're going to notice that where I usually sing people's names, I'm not going to sing anything. So you can sing your own name in place where there's an empty spot. So listen for that. Go. Early in the morning, so early in the morning, so early in the morning, before the break of day. Early in the morning, so early in the morning, so early in the morning, before the break of day. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. We're glad to see you here. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. We're glad to see you here. Clap hello to. Clap hello to. Clap hello to. We're glad to see you here. Clap hello to. Clap hello to. Clap hello to. We're glad to see you here. Roll hello to. Roll hello to. Roll hello to. We're glad to see you here. Roll hello to. Roll hello to. Roll hello to. We're glad to see you here. Early in the morning, so early in the morning, so early in the morning, before the break of day. Early in the morning, so early in the morning, so early in the morning, before the break of day. day. Charlie Chaplin went to France to teach the ladies how to dance. Heel to heel and toe for toe and all around the GPO. Charlie Chaplin went to France to teach the ladies how to dance. Heel to heel and toe to toe and all around the GPO. Charlie Chaplin went to France to teach the ladies how to dance. Heel to heel and toe to toe and all around the GPO. Charlie Chaplin went to France to teach the ladies how to dance. Heel to heel and toe to toe and all around the GPO. Can you find your other foot? Let's see if you can find your other foot. Charlie Chaplin went to France to teach the ladies how to dance. Heel to heel and toe to toe and all around the GPO. Charlie Chaplin went to France to teach the ladies how to dance. Heel to heel and toe to toe and all around the GPO. All around the GPO. All around the GPO. Ba, 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 ba. Your turn. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Nice. This is a really fun song to find a lap for, to be your horsey. And let's move up a little bit so I have room to be a horse. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Let your hooves go, clippity-clop. Let your tail go, swish, and the wheels go round. Horsey, horsey, homeward bound. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Let your hooves go, clippity-clop. Let your tail go, swish, and the wheels go round. Horsey, horsey, homeward bound. Can you do that with your voice? Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Let your hooves go, clippity-clop. Let your tail go, swish, and the wheels go round. Horsey, horsey, homeward bound. Neigh! Neigh! Wake up! Back on horse. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Let your hooves go, clippity-clop. Let your tail go, swish, and the wheels go round. Horsey, horsey, homeward bound. Neigh! Oh. Wake up, horsey! Think this horse can go any faster? Let's see if we can make it go a little bit faster. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Let your hooves go, clippity-clop. Let your tail go, swish, and the wheels go round. Horsey, horsey, homeward bound. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Let your hooves go, clippity-clop. Let your tail go, swish, and the wheels go round. Horsey, horsey, homeward bound. Neigh! clippity-cloppity, don't you stop. Let your hooves go clippity-clop. Let your tail go swish and the wheels go round. Horsey, horsey, homeward bound. Horsey, horsey, homeward bound. For our next song, if you can find something at home that you could use for a scarf, something like this isn't a scarf, but something that you could throw up in the air like that. If you don't have a scarf, maybe a tea towel from your kitchen, something you dry your dishes with, that would work. Maybe even a towel from the bathroom or a pillowcase, anything you think that you could throw up in the air and it might float down a little bit like that. Okay, here we go. She didn't dance, dance, dance. She didn't dance at all today. She didn't dance, 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 nor yesterday. Dance her up and up and up and up. Whee! Dance her up in the sky. Whee! Dance her up and up and up, and she'll be down by and by. She didn't dance, dance, dance. She didn't dance at all today. She didn't dance, 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 nor yesterday. Dance her up and up and up and up. Whee! Dance her up in the sky. Whee! Dance her up and up and up. Woo! And she'll be down by and by. She was like a lady, she was like a queen. She was like a lady off to the fair at Glynn. Dance her up and up and up. Woo! Dance her up in the sky. Woo! Dance her up and up and up, and she'll be down by and by. He didn't dance, dance, dance. He didn't dance at all today. He didn't dance, 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 nor yesterday. Dance him up and up and up and up. Woo! Dance him up in the sky. Woo! Dance him up and up and up, and he'll be down by and by. He was like a gentleman, he was like a king. He was like a gentleman off to the fair at Glynn. Dance him up and up and up and up. Woo! Dance him up in the sky. Woo! Dance him up and up and up. Woo! And he'll be down by and by. She didn't dance, dance, dance. She didn't dance at all today. She didn't dance, 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 nor yesterday. Dance her up and up and up and up. Woo! Dance her up in the sky. Woo! Dance her up and up and up. Whee! And she'll be down by and by. Bum, bum. Your turn. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Nicely done. One potato, two potato, three potato, four. 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. Now listen very carefully. We're not going to say all of the numbers this time. Ready? So follow me. See if you can keep track. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato. Nicely done. We're going to drop out another one. See if you can keep up. 1 potato, 2 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, potato, 2 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, 1 potato, 2 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato. Nicely done. Okay, see if we can drop out a few more. 1 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, 1 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more. Watch really carefully. One potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more. We're going to get up now and see if you can do a little bit of dancing. And this is going to be a polka. Just get up and move around the room. Make sure you've got some space around you. And we're going to listen to this. To buy a fat pig, home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat pig, home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. Dee diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, dee diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. Dee diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, dee diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. Dee diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, dee diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. Dee diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, dee diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum, diddle dee diddle dee diddle dee dum. To market, to buy a plum bun. Home again, market is done. To market, to buy a plum bun. Home again, market is done. We're just about the end of our class for today. We're going to sing our favorite goodbye song. It's called Safe Home, and it was music and lyrics are by John Smith, who is a Wisconsin musician. And we're grateful that we can share that with you today. Safe home, safe home, safe home where you go. May the light of the moon smile down on your road. Safe home, safe home, safe home where you go. Until I next see you, safe home will you go. Safe home, safe home, safe home where you go. May the light of the moon smile down on your road. Safe home, safe home, safe home where you go. Until I next see you, safe home will you go. Here's a cup, and here's a cup, and here's a pot of tea. Pour a cup, and pour a cup, and have a drink with me. Sláinte, sláinte. Bye-bye. See you next time.